Superintendent of Police East Khasi Hills ba Vivek CM hakajan mir arphotarik nailar ulethu hakilat pathai Khubor ba kajing julor ki kali kala kot shaka live huwai tili bat khandring ut ki breu ki laman saw na kijing kulmar hakapor ba Iaid rally ka Khasi Student Union ulaong kajing kya me kilai ngut kinong alam ka Khasi Student Union ka de halor kajing penkhen ki kendon ain hakapor ba Iaid rally bat ru ulaong Haduh Mynta ki pulit kilayo Haduh khatsan tli kijing ujor FIR halor kini kijing ja Nalor kata ulaong yakini kilaingut kinong alam ke KSU la pengat hagi kendon an baper kentup ka syok breu bat penjat penpra yaki tiar kitar himar ki mata. Ulaong ki Jingtohkit kidang nyat syaprang bat ki Jingtuet ki wepat ke badan keti haka jing penkulmar henen kasingi kidang nyat syakmat.
Yesterday's protest, in fact, it took a different turn. We had actually the KSU had asked for permission and conditions were given. So we believed that it was going to be a peaceful rally since that was asked for, requested for. So deployment was made in strategic points, but it didn't turn out as such and became violent. In that violence yesterday, about 31 vehicles were vandalized, about 16 people injured, 2 vehicles torched. About 15 FIRs have we've received 15 FIRs so far, and 3 leaders have been arrested as the whole rally was actually organized by the main leaders. Investigation is going on the 15 cases in that to identify the people who actually caused the vandalism and arson also. So we're busy right now in the investigation process. The crowd we had about 200 bikes, so we need to identify who are the people actually in that crowd who are involved in the various spots where the incidents happened. The facts speak for themselves. We have enough evidence, enough footage to show that the bikers only were involved in the arson, in the vandalism, and the assault. Sections were unlawful assembly, assault, intimidation. Sections. The sit-in, I believe, I see from the papers that they said only the CC members would be sitting. So we have given our views to the Deputy Commissioner and call will be taken by the Deputy Commissioner. Following the arrest of the leaders, the police team had gone to arrest further persons involved in the vandalism, and they were met with stiff resistance. There was petrol bombs thrown at them. So just to disperse the mob, they had to fire stun grenades. But it was not aimed at the public or any private house. It was just to disperse the crowd. And after the community members came out and requested them, the police heeded the request and came out.
So the 3 leaders were not arrested at the office, KSU office?
No, they were elsewhere.
They were elsewhere. Yes. Okay, what is the condition now? They are in judicial custody for how many days?
14 days judicial custody.
From today?
Yes.
And from where you arrested these people?
I was from one restaurant in Shillong.
But so there are allegations like that people they saw that they didn't do anything and nothing was.
It was a long route, madam, and police were stationed in strategic places and all that. These assaults and vandalism took place in places where police was not there or police presence was sparse, like where traffic constables only were there. So it was not possible to cover the entire stretch. Also taking it for granted that it was a peaceful rally and they will be mobile, unlike a procession which is walking on foot. So we trusted the request and that they'll follow the conditions of the district administration. Hence, police presence was only in strategic points.
Can you tell us about the additional forces now?
5 companies have come in, CAPF companies have come in, which will help the state police. They will also be deployed from tonight.
So what is the situation as of today?
Is there any incidents or anything reported or anything like that?
So far, no. From last night, except for those 2 arsons which happened, in Meghalaya and some no incident has been reported so far.
So the arson cases were reported today.
No, the last
Last
night.
night.
Last night.
So how many more are you expected to arrested?
That we will investigate and we will see. And then once we identify the people involved in the vandalism and the arsons and all that, we will accordingly take action.